Okay, so here we have 40 sight words. These are the Dolce pre-primer sight words which I have over here, and I have written them in all these cardboard which is cookie shaped, and we're gonna feed these cookies to Santa. And while feeding the cookies, I'm gonna make Jordi say loudly the words. We already have flashcards for these sight words, and Jordi is aware of most of the sight words that we have done so far. So, and if he's not able to, I'm gonna help him. So he has to just pick up one, he has to read it, me, and then feed the Santa. That's it. It's very simple. And if you're doing it for a 1-year-old or just a 2-year-old, you can go ahead and you don't need to write any words here. You can just keep it a plain kind of a cookie and make it fun. You can also do kind of number quantity by placing maybe a kind of a clear tape here, and you can just write down numbers whichever you want, like 2. So you can just put 2 quantity like 1 and 2. Okay, and there are many things, many different ways to play this game. It's fun, and I hope you guys love and enjoy this. I'm going to do this with Jordan very soon. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yeah, what is that word, baby? Blue. Blue. Can you feed this one? What is written in that? Yeah. Very good. Can you jump? Yeah. Yes. Very good. Play. Very good. Which is the next one? Can you read that out? What is written? V. V. Good. Okay, pick up the next cookie. Let's feed Santa. What are you going to feed Santa? Which word? Read the word. Sure? Big. Big. Very good. Look here. Here you do. Nut. 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 Okay, can you feed Santa the cookie? Very good. Okay, the next one. Let's feed Santa. Many cookies are remaining. Santa is very hungry. Hey, very good. Very good. What's the next word? What's that? Which word? What is the word? Go. Very good. Go. And it happens very often that he is repeating the word again and again. At times he just wants to drop the cookies, making a child aware that Santa eats cookies. And yes, cookies. And here he's done. Yay!